Mr. Handyman, you know what you're getting, and it's quality.
Mr. Handyman stood out because they could do what I needed done, and they could do it in a timely fashion.
Little things, hanging a ceiling fan, replacing a garbage disposal, to remodeling a basement or a bathroom. It's nice to have one place that you can go that can get anything done that you need in your house.
I really liked the way that they show up on time, they get the job done, they know what they're doing.
Mr. Handyman's done in our home is construction of handicap ramp, a deck in the back, renovating the kitchen to move some of the appliances, installed French doors. Whoever they send knows exactly what they're doing.
I was not going to have to worry about whether somebody was going to be there when I needed them. They were going to be there. It's one-stop shopping that is invaluable to the consumer.